What's going on, guys? Kyle here from GuideWise. In this video, I will show you how to optimize YouTube titles using vidIQ. Open vidIQ and in the left column select search and then keyword. Type in the idea of your video. So I will type in wedding venue, then hit enter. So you will get related keywords with their scores. So to make things a little bit easier, we can go to overall and sort that. So we can see that luxury wedding, South African wedding, wedding venue businesses have relatively high scores. So you want to include these words naturally into your title. Make it clear and slightly curiosity driven. This improves both SEO and click-through rate. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe.